Foodex Manufacturing Solutions, we consider to be a #1 show for the UK. The number of diverse visitors we get here and the number of participating exhibitors is absolutely fantastic. So for us, it's the #1 show.
Here at Foodex, you have the whole combination of manufacturing machinery, filling machinery, and food customers themselves, which actually brings the whole process together in one tight circle.
This particular exhibition has been a lot busier, a lot more footfall, which has been great for us to show off our product. We've got some really good leads this year, hopefully some that we can sell quite quickly as well. So yeah, it's been a really profitable exhibition.
We get to meet the right type of customer, the manufacturers, the national guys, right down to the farm shops. So it's the full range of potential customers.
What differentiates Foodex from a lot of other exhibitions in the UK and in Europe and abroad is the quality of the visitors, the quality of the attendees.
We do 2 shows in the UK, and by far Foodex is the biggest show for us in our calendar year.
Its heartbeat is all about food and the associated supply chain. So if you're in part of that, even in a small way, then you need to consider exhibiting here.
It has your manufacturing platforms, it has your direct customers as well. So the combination of those 2 things together would benefit us as a company.
The leads at Foodex Manufacturing Solutions have been really exciting, and we're looking forward to reaching out to these guys at the end of it.
The biggest highlight of Foodex has been the amount of leads that we've got.
It keeps us in touch with existing customers, puts us in the spotlight for new customers.
It's been great.